Okay, here's the artesian bread. And there's a video on Twitter. Just go to my Twitter, Rhoda Stone, Crazy Cheap. And this smells good. The only thing about this bread is you have to let it rise between 7 and 12 hours. But, you know, if you start it in the morning, you don't have to rush home. And then this is my peach jam, so let me taste this bread. This is really good. This is one of the best. This is the best recipe for me because what I was looking for was something easy. All food in the stockpile. Just scroll down. I've been making this for the last few hours. And you can go and get the recipe. And it makes a big loaf. My gosh. And then here's the jam. Just scroll down for the jam recipe. Okay, you guys. You gotta try this. This is good. God bless you all.